Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn a topic from Indian economy, that is currency system in India. It is a very important topic for all the degree level exams. Watch the video. If it is beneficial, like, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon to get all the notifications and share to all GK learners. Let's start. Indian economy, currency system. Paper currency was first introduced in India by the British in 1861. So, paper currency was introduced for the first time by the British in the year 1861. Indian currency became independent with the establishment of RBI in 1935. In 1935, RBI was established, and after that Indian currency became independent. The symbol of Indian rupee was designed by D. Uday-Kumar. D. Uday-Kumar is a person who designed the symbol of Indian rupee. This is a symbol of Indian rupee, and D. Uday-Kumar is from Tamil Nadu. Decimal system of coinage system was introduced in India in the year 1957. So, coinage system was introduced in India, or decimal system introduced in India in the year 1957. Mahatma Gandhi series notes are introduced in 1996. The currently issuing notes also Mahatma Gandhi series notes. These notes are introduced in the year 1996. In Indian currency, amount is written in 17 languages alphabetically. In that, first language is Assamese and 17th language is Urdu. I have already told it is written alphabetically. So, the first language is Assamese and 17th language, that is last language, is Urdu. Only foreign language used in Indian currency, Nepali. Nepali is the only foreign language used in Indian currency. Indian government withdrew the old currency notes till 2005. Indian government withdrew all the old currency notes till 2005 on 30th June 2016. On 30th June 2016, government withdrew all the old currency notes till 2005. The mobile application developed to recognize fake currency notes, CHK fake. India's first cryptocurrency exchange, Coinome. India's first cryptocurrency exchange is called Coinome. Now let's see the pictures of currencies. First, let's see the old currencies and that old currency that is still existing. After that, we will discuss about the pictures in new currencies. 5 rupee tractor plow. In the 5 rupee note, you can see tractor and picture of plow. 10 rupee note. In 10 rupee old note I am telling, you can see 3 animals: tiger, rhinoceros, elephant. 20 rupee Mount Harriet. And Mount Harriet is in Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar, and Mount Harriet is located in Port Blair. Next is 50 rupee. 50 rupee note. You can see the picture of Indian Parliament. Old 100 rupee note, Himalaya. Old 100 rupee note, pictures, Himalaya. And 500 rupee note, Dandi March. This is old note. In old 500 rupee note, we can see picture of Dandi March. Next is 1000 rupee, old 1000 rupee note, technological progress in India. Now let's see about demonetization. What is demonetization? It is the legal act of making a currency invalid. So, demonetization is the process of making a currency invalid. In India, demonetization happened 3 times. First in 1946, second in 1978, and third in 2016. First Indian state to pass a resolution supporting demonetization in 2016. This I am telling about the third demonetization, that is in 2016. The first Indian state to pass a resolution supporting demonetization is Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh is the state that passed first resolution. Next, let's see about the demonetization, serial number, date of demonetization, RBI governor during demonetization, and currency notes demonetized. First one, during the first demonetization, it was on 12th January 1946. During that time, RBI governor was Sir C.D. Deshmukh. The currency notes demonetized were 500, 1000 and 10,000. Second demonetization on 16th January 1978. RBI governor was Dr. I.G. Patel. The currency notes demonetized were 1000, 5000 and 10,000. Third demonetization, 9th November 2016. During that time, RBI governor was Dr. Urjit Patel. The currency notes demonetized were 500 and 1000 rupee notes. The largest currency denomination ever printed by RBI, rupees 10,000. So 10,000 is the largest currency denomination ever printed by RBI. 2,000 rupee notes first designed by Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. The company who designed the 2,000 rupee note, that is Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. Now let's see the new notes. Denomination, color, size and motif of new currency notes. First, 2,000 rupee note. 2,000 rupee note, its color is magenta and size 66 millimeter into 166 millimeter, and its motif is Mangalyan. The picture depicted on the currency note is Mangalyan. You should remember the color and motif. These are very important. Size is not that much important. 500 rupee note, stone grey. Size is 66 millimeter into 150 millimeter. That 66 is the breadth and 150 is the length of the currency note. So its picture is Red Fort. 200 rupee note, color is bright yellow and size 66 into 146 millimeter, motif Sanji Stupa. Next is 100 rupee note. Color is lavender. 66 into 142 millimeter. Motif is Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav is a step well. That is in Gujarat. 50 rupee note. Color is fluorescent blue. Size is 66 into 135 millimeter. Picture is Hampi with chariot. 10 rupee note. Color is chocolate brown and size is 63 into 123 millimeter. Picture is Sun Temple at Konark. 1 rupee note, pink green. Both two colors are there in 1 rupee note. Pink and green, both colors are there in 1 rupee note. Its size is 63 into 97 millimeter. This is the smallest note. Smallest currency note is 1 rupee note and the largest one is 2000. In the 1 rupee note, you can see Sagar Samrat, picture of Sagar Samrat. Sagar Samrat is a drill ship and it is a merchant vessel. And I think all of you know all these things. And the Sagar Samrat is a drill ship and it's a merchant vessel. And Rani Ki Vav is a step well. In olden days, they have used that step well for taking bath. It is situated in Gujarat. RBI governor who signed on new currency notes, Urjit Patel. So, Urjit Patel is the person who signed on new currency notes. And Urjit Patel is a person, RBI governor during the time of third demonetization. That is in 2016, he was the RBI governor. National level scheme mentioned in all the new currency notes except 1 rupee note. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the scheme, national level scheme mentioned in all the new currency notes except 1 rupee note. In 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, all the notes till 2000, you can see the picture of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Currently, largest circulating currency in India, rupees 2000. Before it was 10,000. Now, the largest circulating currency in India is 2000. The toll-free number launched for digital payment help and support 14444. You can see 4 is repeating 4 times. 14444. 4 is repeating 4 times. 14444. That's all about today's class. Hope you like the video. If you like, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.